Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorial, and in today's video I will show you how you can easily change Snapchat Bitmoji. So if you want to give a new look to your Bitmoji on Snapchat, do watch this video till the end, and now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the Snapchat app, and then you have to tap your profile icon at the top left corner. From here, you simply have to tap your Bitmoji given at the top, and here you will see a few options. So the first option says you can change the outfit of your Bitmoji. So you can simply press that and you will get a lot of outfit options that you can try for your Bitmoji. For example, let's try some new outfits. So that's one of the outfits you can try depending on the gender, all right? And don't forget to save the changes. Now, apart from that, you can even change the pose and background of your Bitmoji. So press that and you will get a lot of backgrounds option. So let's choose this one. And for poses, you have to go to the poses tab. Here you will get a lot of poses option. You can simply choose the one that you want for your Bitmoji. So let's use this one. Simply save the changes. Now, apart from that, you can even change your selfie, the selfie you have submitted before for your Bitmoji. If you want, you can simply take a new selfie, all right? And you can even edit avatar. So press that. And you can change the hairstyle, the eyes, the eyebrows, everything of your Bitmoji, all right? So that's how you can change the complete outlook of your Bitmoji on Snapchat. So that was all for this video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post a lot of technical and troubleshooting related content. Thank you for watching.